Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating common causes. Power cycle the modem and router, then focus on your PC. Open Device Manager, find your wireless adapter and choose Update Driver to get the latest fixes. This often resolves protocol or stability bugs. If updating doesn't stick, uninstall the adapter and reboot so Windows reinstalls its driver. Once done, make sure Windows Update finished, because an incomplete OS update can leave drivers mismatched and cause repeat disconnects. Next, you stop Windows from turning off the adapter. In Device Manager, open the adapter's properties, power management, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then switch to a high-performance power plan in Control Panel so wireless stays active. Finally, open the adapter's Advanced tab and set roaming aggressiveness lower and confirm the 802. 11 mode matches your router. Mismatched modes can cause handshaking failures and dropouts, so make these changes and reboot. To finish, perform a network reset in Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Network Reset. This clears corrupt profiles and reinitializes the adapter, then reconnect to Wi-Fi. If pages still load slowly or disconnects persist, set manual DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 1, 1, 1, 1 to rule out DNS timeouts. Make sure to test another device and try the router's 5 GHz band versus 2, 4 GHz to isolate interference. If problems continue,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.